I call it a tripartite business. We run an exchange, an investment, and an academy. So I'll just run quickly on the three things. What is an exchange? Because then a lot of people that are studying might want to also, they've told us a lot of career paths and the trading path. Exchange is another career path, if I can remember. So what is an exchange? Ability to fund your account and withdraw from your account. Because of the limitations we have in Nigeria, you can't use your card to fund, so you need an intermediary to help you fund and to help you withdraw from your account. So we do that for people. In fact, that is what we started with. Not really what we started with. We started with trading, but along the line, exchange came into play, and we started making money on exchange. So we do that as a company. Another thing we do as a company is we invest for people. Now, a lot of things is attached to investment, and then a lot of people have made mistakes when it comes to investment. But through God has helped us by the privilege of God to do investment the right way to people. I've invested, I don't invest for people on a large, like I don't do public investment, I do private investment, and solely that was there because I needed to know what it really into. So we made a lot of research on how does bank operate investment, and up till today it is successful. How does hedge funds operate investment? How does investment bank see, I tell people I don't sleep. It is study upon study upon study. You need to get the Bible said, and my people shall know the truth, and John 8:32, and it will set you free. Also, it will make you free. I don't want to use set free because I know a lot of pastors are here and say that is not correct. So it will make you free. So when you get knowledge in whatsoever field you are able to get knowledge, you will liberate yourself. So we've done a lot of researches on these people. How do they do it correctly? So as to be able to present ourselves. Because one thing I love in life is integrity. A business can never survive when there is no integrity. I've studied it over and over again. So how does investment work for these guys? How can it work for us? So our investment package, because of how God has helped us now, the minimum capital we collect from people is basically $50,000. I'll be truthful with you. I handle an 100K account currently. I'm not doing much. I see people handling $1 million account. I will get there. It's just time. Understand process. So if I want to collect an investment for you, I won't collect lower than what I have personally, right? So the minimum we collect from people is just the $50,000 account. If you have a $50,000, you can invest with Abovefx. But you need to bear it in mind that there is a risk you need to be willing to take. So you are not bringing money and expect 20% in a month. No. What we do is per annum, and this is how banks does investment. And they only give you just a 10% at the end of the year. Even I don't think it's even up to 10%. Maybe banks give you 5% at the end of the year. So because of the possibilities in the Forex market, you can double your account in a year. I didn't say you can double your account in a trade. Please mind my words. You can double your account. So if I trade a 100K account, I can double the account at the end of the year. It's a possibility. But what if the market is not favorable? So you can make 50%, you can make 60%. Nothing is certain in the Forex industry. So a lot of people came with the wrong mindset, and that is why they will never be profitable. So what we give to people at the end of the year is just the 60%, and the risk you are willing to take is 12%. So do the math. The risk to reward is 12 to 60. It's good enough, or it's not good enough. So if you are coming that you want to get the 100%, then we would not work together. So the next thing we do is an academy. We create a platform for people to learn Forex trading. And I would like to say something as regards this. We have a particular profile that reached out to us on this event, and they said they want to give out a profile account to people that will participate. I wish they did, or the deal was successful. It wasn't, because they needed to work on the platform. They needed to fine tune to make it work very well before they put it out to people. Maybe have just given people a lot of profit accounts, 10,000, I don't know how much they are willing to give. But then that was what happened to that. So what Prophet is all about is, I tell people that the greatest challenge in Forex trading before was knowledge. Right? No, it was knowledge and funding. Even you need to strive to get knowledge first. Like, when I mean knowledge, I'm not saying just knowing what Forex is about. Because you connect your account with our own account. So when we take trades, you make profit from it. And when we make losses, please note, when we make losses. But the beautiful thing about it is, we are 90% right out of 100. I told you before, we've made losses. We understand how these things work. We're able to gain mastery to a point where we can boldly say that 80 to 90% we are right. I'm a swing trader, I'm not a day trader. So I know my onions. I know when to enter the market. I might just take 5 trades in a year and I'm okay. So we need to be able to understand this thing. So this is just more like a bonus to our academy. So this is what we do as a company, as a whole. We run an exchange, we do investment, and we teach people on how to trade the Forex market. If you are interested in Forex market, please note, this is not compulsory. If you are interested in trading or you want to know how to trade, you can just subscribe to us. Go to our website, www.myabovefx.ng. Under Academy, you will see it there. It's $100 for the charge for the course.